Hello, and welcome back to Master Speak English. I'm so happy you're here with me today. If you're learning English by yourself at home with no teacher, this episode is just for you. Because I've done it myself. Yes, I started learning English alone. No classes, no school, just me, my phone, and a lot of motivation. And guess what? You can do it too. Today, I'll tell you exactly how I learned speaking English by myself, at home, step by step. Every morning, I try to start my day with English. You don't need a book or a notebook, just your phone or computer. Step 1. Listen first. I usually start with something simple, like an English podcast, a YouTube video, or a short story. I don't worry if I don't understand everything. I just listen. This helps me train my ears and get used to the sound of English. Some of my favorite channels are about everyday English, daily life, or stories with subtitles. Step 2. Speak out loud. After listening, I try to repeat some sentences. I pause the video and say the words out loud. This is called shadowing. It's like copying the speaker. It helps me sound more natural, and it's great for pronunciation. For example, if the speaker says, "I'm going to the store to buy some milk," I stop and say it myself. "I'm going to the store to buy some milk." At first, I feel shy, but after a few days, I start to enjoy it. A lot of people ask me, "But how can I practice speaking if I'm alone?" Great question. And here's my secret. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, really. I stand in front of the mirror and talk, just like a conversation. "Hi, how are you today?" "I'm great. I made coffee this morning." "Oh, really? Did you add sugar?" It may sound silly, but it works. The more you talk, the more confident you feel. Describe your actions. Another trick, I describe what I'm doing during the day. For example, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm cooking lunch. I'm watching an English video. You don't need a teacher. You are your own teacher. Record yourself. Sometimes I use my phone to record my voice. I talk about my day in English. Today, I went to the park. The weather was sunny. I felt happy. Then, I listen again and check if I sound clear. Over time, I notice my English becomes smoother. When I hear a word I don't know, I don't stop everything. I just write it down or save it in a notes app. Example, if I hear delicious, I write word, delicious. Meaning, very tasty. Sentence, this cake is delicious. I try to use it later in the day. Like if I eat lunch, I say, this is delicious. That way, the word becomes part of my vocabulary. Part 4. How I stay motivated. Let's be honest. Some days I feel tired. Some days I don't want to study. That's normal. But I have small tricks to stay motivated. 1. I set tiny goals. Like today I will speak for 5 minutes in English. Or I will learn just 3 new words. Small steps every day. That's what builds real English skills. 2. I remind myself of my why. I want to speak English to travel the world, make international friends, watch movies in English, feel proud of myself. 3. I celebrate progress. Even if I learn one new phrase, I say, yes, I did it. Learning English is a journey, and I'm proud of every step. So, my friend, if you're learning English at home, keep going. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak like a native. You just need to keep trying. Every day, a little bit at a time. Speak, listen, repeat, smile. You are doing amazing. Thanks for joining me today on Master Speak English. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more friendly English episodes. And tell me, how do you practice speaking at home? I'd love to hear from you. Keep learning, keep shining. See you next time.